Hello everyone, I am G. Tripal Reddy. My register number is URK18CS 233 CSA department. Today we are going to discuss about basic Unix and Linux commands. The objective of this experiment is to study the basic Unix and Linux commands. If we are going to see this experiment, we need to know some commands. Commands in detail. The command is who. Who command. Who command says that people who are all connected with you. Suppose if you type the who command, see here I am typing who command. See, these people are connected with me, so I am getting the details of the peoples who are all connected with me. And the next command is who am I. Who am I? Who am I displays my ID. Displays the ID of the user. See, we will see this. Who am I? See, my ID is URK18CS233. So it's displaying the ID of the user. Here I am the user, so it's displaying my ID. Okay. The next command is the next command is date. Date command is used to get the date with Indian Standard Time. We will get the date. And cal command is used to get the calendar. This displays the calendar. See, I will show you with example here. See, if I am typing cal, I am getting the calendar of this month. Suppose if I am typing cal with year, I am mentioning the year here. See, I am getting the calendar of this whole year. Like this, calendar command is used to get the calendar. Okay. ls command is used to list all the files and directories in your directory. Okay, let's see here. I will show you ls. I am typing the command ls and I am showing, see, these are all the files and directories in my directory. See here, this is my directory. These are all the files and directories under my directory. Okay. The next command is man command. Suppose if you want to know detail about any command and a particular name for that command, it will show you. It displays the detailed information about any command. Okay. Cat command is used to concatenate. This va command, it is screen editor. Suppose if you want to write anything, it will allows you to write. It allows you to users to view and write into document. Okay. mkdir, it is used to create new directory. And rmdir, it removes the current directory. And rm, it removes a file. Okay. This mv, suppose if you want to copy any information from one file to another file, this mv command is used. Touch is also a one command which is used to create empty file. Okay. Grip command is used to search like searching. It's the command searches the specifies input. Okay. Head commands means this command print head command means it prints the first five lines of the input. Okay. Tail command, it prints the last 5 lines of the input. Okay. See, let's move to the exercises. Here the question is list the content of user's home directory including hidden files. Okay. Here the question is we need to list the content of user's home directory. That means we are commanding the commands, that is user's home directory. Okay. This hidden files and directories start with the dot symbol. Suppose if you want to know in this what is hidden file, for that it is the dotted file is hidden directory. Suppose let's see here. See ls. See, this is, see here dot is there, so it is a hide directory. This is also hide. This is also hide. The directories or files which is started with the dot is a hidden directories or hidden files. Okay. This is all about first question. See, ls command is used to list all files and directories. Here see, this command is used for I forgot to say this command. This is this is dash a command is used to hidden files. Dash a means hidden files. And the second question is here. Okay, list the content of this is this bar is root. And suppose in this class is the root directory. In the root directory we have so many directories like bin directory, div directory, boot directory, var directory. Var means variable directory. In this var directory we have some files. For displaying that, actually the command which is the command for displaying is ls. See, ls/var displays all the content. See here, I will show you example. See here, ls I am typing and /var. Slash means root. We will get the all the files or all the directories which are in the var directory, variable directory. Okay. We will move to the next question. The next question is create two directories named dir and dir1, dir2. What for creating directory? What command we discussed for creating directory? We discussed the command is mkdir. See here, suppose here I am listing my files. I have dir1, dir2, dir3. So okay, now I am creating dir4 and dir5. See, mkdir and dir4. Okay, I have created dir4 and I am creating mkdir dir5. Okay, and I have created two directories. Okay, let's see the directories. For viewing the directories and files, we have the command ls. Okay, see, it is showing directory 4 and directory 5. In previous, I don't have any directory 4 and directory 5. Now I have here in the result we have directory 4 and directory 5 because I have created the two directories. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the fourth question. Create hidden directory with your name. See, for creating hidden directory, same as we discussed in the third question. See, mkdir with your name with our name, any name as your wish. Okay. See here. Fifth question. Okay, change into directory 1. Suppose, see here, I am okay. Wait, I will clear. Okay, I am clearing my screen. Okay, now it is clear for you. Okay, see here, I am in the directory in my home directory which is urk18cs233. I am changing it into directory 1. For changing from one directory to another directory, we have cd change desktop change cd command cdir1. cd command is used to change into directory. See, I am changing directory 1. See now here urk18cs233 and directory 1. I am in the directory 1 now. For to get out of this directory, cd space dot. See, I am getting out of the directory. See, there is no directory 1. Okay. See, copy the file. See, I should slash is a root and etc is one of the directory. I said you, I told you already. In root directory we have so many directories like bin, div, var, like that. Only etc is also one of the directories. Okay. See here, it is saying password file to current directory with sample.txt. See, I have created already sample.txt. Okay. See, in vi dot we copy text. Okay, this is from this to we have to move the content to sample.txt. Okay, see here, this is okay. See here, vi I said vi command is used to edit the user is getting into the screen and we can write anything there. See here, I have created vi dot copy.text. See here, cp command is to copy. Cp means copy. I am copying the content from ete directory and password file to copy.txt. Okay, I am copying the information. This is the information which is available in passwd. The information is available in passwd. I am copying the information to vi copy.txt. The information is copied. Okay, see here, I am opening the vi used to open the screen. See here, copy.txt. I am opening this file. The the information available in this file is available, which is available in the password file. Okay. And the next question, change your home directory. Change to your home directory, use pwd to check you are in home directory. Okay, see here. See, pwd command is used to know that in which directory you are. Okay. See, I am in the my home directory. My home directory is work 18 so I am in home directory. Okay. pwd command is used for check whether we are in home directory or not. See here, this question, he said create a file test1.txt. Okay, using VM editor. Okay, we have created this text. See, with the name, research number, and research interest. See, within I have given some names and research numbers, and the people which are interested, they give in the interest, like grid computing, cluster computing. The first question is display the student names who are having research interest as grid computing. We have to display the students names. Suppose the students having one student having grid computing and cluster computing, we have to separate the students from the following data based on grid computing. See, for that I already said you, grep command is used to search the content. See, grid computing file name. See, I have the grep command is used to search grid computing. Grid command searched the 3 student names and it displayed. Okay. And see, list all the student names and research number in the class. For that we need cut command. Cut command is means cut dash f1 comma 2 test file name. Means here I am cutting two columns, so I write here 1 comma 2. Suppose if you want to cut only name and display, if you have to, there is no need to use 1 comma 2. 1 is enough. Okay. For displaying we need cut command, means it cut from the table and displayed in the console window. This means command line interpreter. Here see, list the count of students who having interest in image processing and store the result in another file. Here he is saying we have to count the students who are interested in image processing. See, for that also grep command is there. Grep command is for searching. I am searching the grep image processing test2.txt. okay, and I am storing that into count.txt. okay, and the result is storing in count.txt. see here, I am displaying the count. See, cat count.txt. here 2 members are there. Okay, for that wc word count minus what counts, this means letters count. One I am giving file name. Here this there are 2 counts. Okay, for this is word count is used for counting the words. Display first 2 rows and last 2 rows in the file. As you discussed, head command is used to display first five lines in the input, and tail command is used to display last 5 lines in the input file. Here see, head -2, this is not -2, this is -2 means first 2 lines. Okay, first we have to display first 2 lines test from file test2.txt and storing in as.txt. the result is storing in as.txt. okay, see here, tail -2 for last 2 lines from test2.txt and storing in as.txt. see here, I am displaying cat as.txt. see, I am displaying the last 2 lines. Okay, because I used tail. If I used head command, it displays first 2 lines. Okay, this command is used for head, and tail command is used for displaying first 2 lines and last 2 lines, or first 10 lines or last 10 lines based on the command we are giving. See, now this the question is here. The question here is display the content of file test1.txt without any blank lines. It means we have to display the content which is available in test1 which is available in file without any blank lines. Means suppose in sample.txt file I have some information, some available information. Okay, I am displaying using cat command, which displays without any blank lines. Okay, the next question is move the file sample.txt from directory 1 to directory 2. It means suppose we have a file in directory 1. In directory 1 we have one file sample.txt. We have to move that file from directory 1 to another directory. Name of directory 2. See here, I am first of all I am changing my home directory to C directory 1 because in directory 1 only I have the sample file. This mv command. Mv command is used for move. See mv sample.txt. I am moving to this is root data and urk18cc. This is my home directory. In data my home directory is urk18cc233. In home directory I have directory 3. See I am moving to directory 3. I am coming out of directory 1 and I am moving to because I have moved the file from directory 1 to directory 2. There is no use, then there is no use to me in directory 1. So I am getting out of the directory 1 and changing into directory 3c and displaying the files. In directory I have sample.txt. So I moved the file from directory 1 to directory 2. Change the directory into directory 2. See this is already we discussed. Change the directory into directory 2. cd change directory command is used to do this question. Okay. Check whether file sample.txt is present there. In directory 2, check whether sample.txt is file there. For checking, the command is ls. ls means list the files. lsc. We have sample.txt file. Okay. And another question is rename file sample.txt to new text and check whether sample.txt is there or not. The question of the meaning for this question is we have a file name sample.txt and we have to rename this file to new.txt and we have to check whether that file is available there or not. See here I will show you. I have rounded the for neat observations. Wait for a minute. I will show you. See here. See. First of all, I created a sample.txt and I displayed. See ls command used. Using ls command, I displayed see sample.txt. After I am using mv command is for rename. Sample.txt is source name and destination. Sample.txt is converted to new.txt. See there is no sample.txt file here and the file is converted to see new.txt. For your convenience purpose I have rounded the file names. Okay. See, I said about calendar command. Calendar command is used to display the year or month of the calendar. Okay. See here the question is display the calendar of December 2020. Yes, in 2020 year you have to display the December month dates. See here I use cal 12. 12 means month. 2020 year. I get the calendar of 2020 December. Okay. See here remove the directory. Remove the directory 1. For removing command, what we have discussed, see here. I will show you with see. First I have displayed ls using ls command. See here. I have directory 4 here. I am removing the directory 4 using rmdir, removing director command. See rmdir file director name dir4. See there is no directory. See here 1 2 3 4. Here only 1 2 3. After using the removing directory command, there is no directory 4 here because I removed the directory. For your easy understand purpose, I have rounded the directory 4 here. Okay. Okay. And the next question is display the last 3 lines of file text1.txt. As we discussed, head command is used for displaying the first two lines and tail command is used for displaying the last lines. Here minus here dash 3 means it displays the last 3 lines. Okay. Suppose if you place here dash 2, it displays only last 2 lines of file. You can replace this with any lines, any number of lines. Suppose if you give here 10, it is just last 2 lines of the file. Okay. See in this question is display all commands you have executed so far and save it to the and we have to save that to file name todayhistory.txt. For viewing our history, the command is history command. If you type the history command, see suppose I will show you. See today I have the command the history of my commands is see. I have used these commands today. Okay. For displaying the history, the command is history. We have to see the history and store them into one file. For storing we have redirector. For storing we have redirect command, and we have to save the file name. See here. And the next question is, uh, how many files are present under home directory? My home directory is URKit in CS233. For counting how many files are there in my country, ls for displaying, and dash l command is used to count how many files are there in my home directory or any directory. See here, 256 files are there under my home directory. Okay. Suppose I will show you examples here. First of all, I will clear my screen. See, ls slash l. Okay. See. Okay, wait, I will show you how many files are there. See, 336 files. Now present 336 files. At last, when I took when I executed this command, I have only 256 files. Okay. Okay, I will show you the next one. Okay, I will explain you this here once. This okay. This if I explain here, it will for next question it will be. See here, RWR. It means read and write. For this is for owner. Okay, this is for owner. Again here see RW. This is also read and write. We have option for read and write. We can read and write in the file. This is for intermediate. This is for person. Only read. You can only read. It did not write. You cannot change. You cannot make any changes in the file. Okay. See, this will be important for the next two questions. Okay. So that's why I have explained here. See, the next question is perform sorting of three files and store the result in fourth file. See here, I have three files. See here, a.text, b.text, and c.text. I have three files. For sorting, we have command. Sort command is used for sorting. Okay, sort a.text. This is redirect. This is redirect and storing in output.text. And again I am sorting b.text. And again I am storing in output.text. And again I am sorting c.text and storing in output.text. Now the I have sorted all these three files and stored in one file. Now I am executing the fourth file where I have stored all the output. See here, if I cat output.text, see it's showing the sorted value here. See, how are you? Okay. And the last question, change the permission of your newly created file such that group users and don't access any type of access. See here, I told you in the 18th question, RW. RW means we have an option to read and write. We can make changes. See here, the question is change the permission. We have to change the permission. So we have created a new file and we have to change the permission to that file such that no one can access. No one can access means anyone can see the file, but no one can make changes in the file. For that, you have command ch mode means change mode. You have to change the mode from read and write command. Read and write. There is a possibility. For that file there is a possibility to read and write. We can make changes, any changes. We have to change that to only no one can access means no one can change modifications. For that, ch mode -r, only they can read. They cannot make changes in the file name for one.txt. In one.txt for one.txt file, no one can change the content in the file. They can read, only they can read. Okay, that's it for this experiment. I hope you all understood these commands and these questions. And the result of this command is basic commands of Unix and Linux are successfully executed and verified. I want to tell you one thing. For this, these all commands we are executing in CMI. Okay, command line interpreter. Okay, command line interpreter. Okay, for this shell program, I need to say you about one word, shell. Command line interpreter. It's a shell is one type of command line interpreter through which we communicate to kernel. Okay, this kernel and user mode will be come in upcoming experiments. I need to say I just want to say that shell programming. This is all shell programming. So I would like to say that. Okay, thank you. I hope everyone understood. Okay, thank you.